Welcome back! Hi! So it's already Christmas. Well, not yet. It's December already, and I know everyone's really excited, but I'm still making videos. We're still making wire wrapping videos, or I'm still teaching you how to make jewelry, and this time we are in the lesson of wire wrapping. So this second technique is called twisting, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a brooch or probably a pendant, or I don't know, basta you will learn how to twist or manipulate wires so that you can create really nice projects. And I'm also going to be showing you how to combine the framing and twisting so you can create even nicer projects. Okay, so without further ado, here we go. Okay, so this is lesson number 2 in wire wrapping, a technique we use in jewelry making. Today I'm going to teach you how to twist wires and use the technique in making jewelry or making stuff. We will be using these flat, or I don't know how to really call it, but it's faceted na flat bead in a heart shape. It's acrylic, and these teardrops and these beads. And on another project, we're going to use these. Of course, we're going to use our pliers, and this is very soft number 20 or 21 gauge aluminum wire. I have this in about a meter in length. Yeah, about a meter. We're going to be needing really long wires because of the twisting. Okay, so what we are going to be making is, well, it can be a brooch or it can be a napkin holder or ring. It's up to you how you want to form it, but basically it's going to look like this. There's center and may mga arte-arteng ganyan, something like that. But yeah, let's start. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need is, of course, you're going to insert your wire. Okay, so you need about mga ilang inches to, 4-5 inches. Then push it down, and then you can either use your hand or use a pliers to hold this. But ako, I usually just use my hands because if I use the pliers, I tend to grip the wire too tight and it will break off. So let's just use the hand for now. So we're going to leave about half an inch from the base of the bead, and then start. I'm left and right-handed, so let's start twisting. When you have it twisted like that, be careful not to twist it too tight, otherwise this will break here or here. So you have that. We need to make a second one. So just leave it like that first. So we need to make, so now you're going to insert your second bead in the long wire. So bottom first, sorry. And then you're gonna have to match it. Like so, and then bend this down and hold again at the base and start twisting again. You have to make sure that you twist it on the same direction so that it looks nice when it's beside each other. It looks more polished. Now when you start to get twists like this, just get your pliers. Form it nicely, and then from here you have to lock this in place. So just twist it around so they're together, and then you don't add it here. We will actually do this. Sorry, we'll do that, and then add one more here. Push down, twist again, okay, I'm going to end up having something like this. This is actually bigger than what I intended to do, but sige na lang. Okay, if you have something like this na medyo malayo, you can pull them together. Or not pull, push them together. Yan. And then start. I'm just wrapping the bottom so that we can sort of connect all of them. Now, remember the first lesson we had on bead framing? We're actually going to do that here. So now we're connecting one lesson to another. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay, so from here, we are going to wire wrap this around. Sorry. Hold the bead here. Then wire wrap it. Wrap it around. Wrapping around. Lock. Okay, so we have one. We're going to get one more bead. One more bead. And then wrap again. Sorry. Your second, and now we're adding the third bead. You have to be really patient with this. Lock it again, and you are going to have something like this. And then now you just have to arrange it that each bead falls in its place like that. Don't worry about that gap there. We can close it later. So now from here we are going to lock this in place so that the beads don't move anywhere. And from here, we lock it also in place in this next bead. This is going to look messy at first, there. But don't worry, we're going to clean this up. Okay. Okay, we have something like this. Now let's add something to make it look more festive, a little more festive. You can add it here, then twist. I hold it sa baba here, then twist lang, ganun. And then I think you get the idea. We add more here, we add more here. And then from here, I know you don't know where to go. Just simply lock it in place. And then you can move your bead. Sorry, we're gonna have to keep locking it. And then move to the next. There. Let's just try this. Twist. Still you have something like this. Actually, I already deviated from my original plan, but it looked nice. So I'm going to show you the finished product, but that's basically the twisting lesson. Let's breeze through this. Okay, this is how it looks like at the bottom. All the wires are at the bottom. On top, it looks neat. A little neat. Not very neat, but at least. Okay, so last. Sorry, went out of camera. So now you have something like this, and you wouldn't know what to do with your extra wire because this is excess. After you have basically locked everything in, we are moving the excess wire on the very top. Loop it somewhere so it's really close to the top. And then we are going to create, remember our spiral? We are going to create that. Sorry, we are going to make a really nice spiral so that you have like a centerpiece on top. And not only is it a good finishing touch, it also covers the imperfections. There you have it. This is your finished product. You can connect this to a brooch pin, or if you have made a frame for a ring, you can also attach this and make it like a ring. Diba, ang laking ring. Or this can be a pendant. It's up to you. Now, in twisting wires, you can actually create a lot of stuff. Like I twisted this wire, it's thick, and made the frame so that I can add beads, or this can even go here like that. Let me just go ahead and do that. Alright, it can be as simple as this. There. Okay, so there you have it. That's the twisting. Now, let's twist wires so that you can use them to make frames like this. I have here a sample. I'm going to cut short one. Now let's just say this is a really long wire. What I normally do is close this and attach this somewhere like a door, and here. This has to be held somewhere, and then go ahead and just twist it. Like that. If you notice, it's already being twisted. So you can make this as long as you want. There, and when you have it, you can now frame, something like this. really, the limit is really your imagination, where you can find inspiration from a lot of things, from even other designers that you like or that you follow. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. Okay? Bye! Thank you!